Okay, so two sweeps. Two sweeps. One is called the pendulum sweep, and the other one is like a shoulder crush. So you got the guy in your guard. Both of them, pull them in good. Okay, so he's in your guard. So the pendulum sweep is you're gonna dive under one leg and answer the phone. Grab the tricep of the opposite arm, and then you're just gonna bring your leg up and pull him over like that, right? So I'm gonna take out his base basically. He's gonna be fighting for grips, and then maybe I'm able to get underneath here, answer the phone, right? Other hand, grab the tricep, and then this leg probably come down. This one is gonna come up. I'm just whoop, boom, and you can finish him with whatever you want. If I can grab this shoulder underneath, shove his head up, and jam my shoulder under his neck. And that usually is all she wrote. Or that's not working, and go for a cross collar choke. Cross collar choke. Drag that over. Okay, the other one is, okay, he's sitting up in my guard. Okay, so I'm going down from underneath, so let me get it. And then maybe instead of going shooting under a leg, what I do is I can shoot under same side arm, grab my hands, crush him down, shoulder crush. This bottom hand on the bottom, this top hand on top. And hold him in here, crushing him down. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my elbow up so it's driving his neck. And that's like super uncomfortable for him. That sucks. And then he's gonna want to like pull back. So what I can do is I can get my guard out and I could get the butterfly hook, and I can swing him over. You don't even need that butterfly really to get him to go because this is so painful on the neck. So I'm just driving him down, driving him over with my knife blade, or boom, I'm on top, and then I can just swing over my leg, and I can finish with an armbar right there. Okay, so those two. There's the shoulder crush, and there's the pendulum sweep. And those are gonna work pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, and then the other sweep that I've just been working on is if he stands up, he's here, and you got his sleeve grips. He stands up here, you got his hips. You just pull and push, and you get him up. And then you can throw him in one direction or the other, and you're gonna pull one of the arms, and you can get the arm bar. So if I'm throwing him that way, turn him that way, bam! I got the arm bar right there. Just put heel on his neck. That's fine. Or let me go over. Push. Right. Okay. I go with a 3